guys, so this is a front-facing camera test on the LG Stylo 5. So as you can see, it looks pretty bad right now. It's actually 2 p.m. in the afternoon, but it's raining outside, so it's cloudy. But you can just see all this noise around, so not the best front-facing camera. I've seen better, like even Motorola has better, but let's go outside and see if the video quality improves. Still looks a lot of noise around the image, and let's see how well the quality sounds. So right now I'm outside, as you can see the image just improved 100 times, so definitely got a lot better. Like I said, it is raining, so shout out to the storm. We really needed it here in my hometown, so hopefully it looks very nice. Let's just do a little bit of walking, see how well it looks. Like I said, I wanted to see how far we can push this camera. Right now, since it's raining, there's a lot of noise and it's not the brightest day, so I swear every time I take these video tests, it's always raining or something. But yeah, like I said, this is just me walking. See, jogging, probably shaky. I don't think the front has video stabilization like the back does. But yeah, the front, guys, it's not looking the best, at least through the viewfinder. But like I said, if you have really good lighting, it does improve a lot. But once you go into a very dark area, that's where the camera starts kind of showing its quality. Even here, if you can see it on my porch light right here, look at all that noise around it. I can see it through the viewfinder. So back camera, it's pretty bad, guys. I don't know. When you don't talk to me. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me. Hey guys, so this is a front-facing camera test on the LG Stylo 5. Hopefully everything looks fine. Like I said, I am walking in the trail. I don't think the front-facing has image stabilization, but it is a 5 megapixel rear or 5 megapixel front-facing camera. So overall, I think it looks very good in good lighting, but once you go into like low lighting, this is where the camera actually shows where it needs some help. Like I said, I don't think the front has any image stabilization. Let's go ahead and do a quick jog. See how well that looks through the park. So that's me jogging. Whew, God, bunch of bugs out here. So I'm not gonna stay out here too long, but I'll take some pictures and stuff. Back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. Alright, so this is a front-facing test again on the LG Stylo 5. Hopefully everything looks fine, guys. You can see there's the river behind me, so yeah, hopefully everything looks fine. There's a lot of road noise here, but let me just show you that, like I said, that is the river over there. So very nice. So let's go ahead and walk back, since there's a lot of mosquitoes out here. Like I said, I don't think there's any image stabilization on here. Let me try it out. At least on the front, I don't think there is any, but if you're walking calmly, you should see there's a improvement in the video. So definitely no stabilization in the front, but overall I think it looks okay. It's not the most detailed camera, but hey, it does its job, you know. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is going to be a video test going outside. As you can see, it's raining, so let's go ahead and see how good the audio sounds and look at the rain. So opening up the front door, as you can see, it's pouring right now. So yes guys, it's raining pretty heavily. It does have image stabilization, at least it's what it's saying. Try to reduce the shakiness, but as you can see, I can't go out right now since it's pouring. But let's go ahead and try to get some close-up shots here. Hopefully you can hear me. I'll try to, make my voice a little louder. It's just that, like I said, it's raining. But it does look like it's trying to stabilize the image. So that's pretty amazing. Let me know how it looks. I'm just walking here on my porch. So overall, it looks okay. Like I said, I'm walking normal like I would be walking. Now let's see if we wanted to sprint a little bit. How well that looks. Hopefully that looks fine. But overall, I think the video quality is decent, but not the best. Autofocus looks like it's doing a pretty good job. I said it does look a little grainy. It's not the brightest day today to take video, but I'll try to do it again when there's more light. Alright guys, so this is a rear facing camera test. As you can see, I'm in the woods. This is a trail by the park in my neighborhood. So let's go ahead and see. This is the front facing camera test. Just walking, see how well it does. So let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, there's plenty of noise out here. It's pretty cool. I love Mother Nature. It's nice, but it's also very creepy. Let's go ahead and do a quick jog. This is me jogging. See how well the stabilization work. So, yeah, as you can see the stabilization on it. We would have to check how well it looks, but overall this is just me walking right here. I said it does have image stabilization, at least what it says. Hopefully you can hear me. There's, like I said, Mother Nature's pretty loud. So yeah, overall I think it's a nice trail. This is recording at 1080p. As you can see, there's cars out there and stuff. We'll get to the river in just a little bit. So let me switch it up and see how well everything looks. Alright guys, so this is another rear facing camera test. Sorry if I sound a little weird, just so much bugs out here. You know, I'm not much of a nature guy, to tell you the truth. So many bugs, and yeah. But as you can see, here's nature. I said hopefully it does stabilize. At least it looks nice through my viewfinder here. So there's just so many bugs. So it is 4th of July, at least of the recording of this video. So I don't know when the video will come out. There you go, America. But overall I think it looks fine. So overall, I think it's a nice little pathway here. So let's see how well it actually looks. Like I said, the camera on the Stylo 5 doesn't look like it's the best. There we go, but once it does focus, it does look very nice. So look at the river there. As you can see, there's a river over there. Hopefully that looks nice. Alright guys, so now that it's getting kind of dark, let's go ahead and see how it performs in lower light. Like I said, overall I'm thinking the stabilization looks pretty decent. This is not even using a gimbal, just using my right hand. But overall I think it looks fine actually. Doesn't look like there's much shakiness going on. So kudos to that, and just hope the lens and everything else was a little bit better. Here's more right here, more signs. So this sign's actually a little bit more yellow, so there's something wrong. It's a little bit more of a cool color. So I don't know what's up with that. Here's more plantation. Hopefully no bug comes out, but overall it looks pretty decent. Like I said, just looking through the viewfinder, the video doesn't look like it's the best, guys. So it's okay. So let's go ahead and do one more jog test, see how well it does. Alright, so that was a jog test. Let me know in the comments below what you think.
I'm getting into a very dark area here under the trees. Nice little close sun right here. And yeah, let me get out of here because I'm starting to sweat and it's hot and bugs are everywhere. 4th of July, it's about 90, probably 94 degrees. And it's a pretty noisy environment. Also recording this just in case something happens.
Yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you.
Check out this brickwork, guys. This is actually from the 1970s here. So this was actually a rice plantation here before. So very cool. Look at the details on these bricks. Hopefully the camera picks that up. And there's some insects there, but like I said, it does look pretty blurry here on my end. Like I said, hopefully it looks better once I get it on the computer. Like I said, this is just raw footage of it, so yeah.